and Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Queens County in southeast New York, Manhattan in southeast New York, Bronx County in southeast New York, southeastern Bergen County in northeast New Jersey until 1:30 a.m. At 11:27 p.m., thunderstorms producing rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour will produce flash flooding over the warned area. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. Monday for the following county: Bergen County, New Jersey, and the following counties in New York, Bronx, Manhattan, and Queens. Here is a special weather statement.
Oh my God. I need to frickin' silence this radio. It keeps going off on me. Oh, jeez. Anyway. You can hear the rain coming. Okay, shut up, please. I do not want to hear it. Oh, lightning.